Welcome back to Airing the News with Rami and Rami. A viral TikTok made by a third-year Ryerson student talking about HIV was trending on Twitter last night. Scientists from all around the world are sharing their knowledge on the discussion.
The biomedical science student Farah Aziz's TikTok has hit almost 2 million views. Let's take a look.
You know that more than 38 million people around the world have HIV? HIV is a virus that attacks immune cells, specifically helper T cells, to make more copies of the virus and spread throughout the body. That's why it's best to get treated early on, because the immune response will get weaker, making it difficult for someone with HIV to fight other infections. Without treatment, HIV can worsen and cause AIDS. Although there is currently no cure for HIV, there are effective treatments like the antiretroviral therapy, which consists of a mixture of drugs that reduce the amount of HIV in the blood. Symptoms of HIV include fever, rash, weight loss, and more. This World's AIDS Day on December 1st, we need to raise awareness and support this cause.
We have two special guests today that are going to talk about the viral TikTok.
Coming first to talk about HIV vaccine development, we bring in Shamal Khan, epidemiologist from Ryerson University, specializing in HIV research.
Shamal, what are your thoughts about this TikTok?
First and foremost, I believe this is an exceptional platform to raise awareness about HIV, which is a virus that prevents your immune cells from working. There are four main stages of HIV: infection, asymptomatic, symptomatic, HIV to AIDS. Although there is not a cure, there are treatments which are keeping people alive longer than ever before.
Shamal, why are scientists finding a difficult time finding a cure for HIV? Why isn't there a vaccine yet?
It has two copies of single-stranded RNA genome. HIV attacks CD4 molecules, which are T cells, which aka are immune response cells. And it has CCR5, it's a receptor. The receptor binds with the outer layer of the cell, and it allows entry into the T lymphocyte. After binding to the host genome, the cell follows transcription, producing viral mRNAs. HIV structural proteins are made and assembled into the host cell. When cellular division occurs now, there are millions of HIV particles that affect other cells.
Thank you, Shamal. We also have Ghazal Kazim with us tonight. Ghazal, your research team has found recent development in HIV vaccine. Can you talk about your findings?
The focus of our study is on broadly neutralizing HIV-1 antibodies, which are produced from the natural response of a specific immune cells called B cells. These antibodies can recognize a specific part of the envelope of HIV called epitopes and bind to them. Therefore, they can prevent HIV from binding and entering the healthy cells of a person. They can also neutralize most HIV-1 strains.
In the viral TikTok, Farah mentioned that HIV can cause AIDS. Can you please elaborate?
Well, HIV is the virus that may lead to AIDS, while AIDS is a condition in which the immune system of a person has become severely damaged. People who have HIV do not necessarily develop AIDS, and it may take about 10 years for HIV to progress into AIDS.
Thank you, Ghazal. That was really informative. Well, there you have it. HIV has a long road for a cure ahead. Stay tuned. After the break, we got John with the weather.